Which of the following is not an actual type of letter of credit? So we've got 4 types of letters of credit listed here. Let's go through them one by one. So we start with the revocable letter of credit. This is when one party can unilaterally alter or withdraw from this agreement. Now, these are not very common for the obvious reason that the beneficiary of the letter of credit is not going to be very happy if they sign an agreement and then the person who's offered the letter says, actually, I can change my mind at any point. But technically, those do exist, so that is not one of the answers. Now, the endorsed letter of credit. You can get endorsements on a letter of credit, so undertakings from the bank or something like that, but that's not an actual type of letter of credit in itself. So in terms of the exam, it's the endorsed letter of credit that is not an actual type. Just for the sake of completeness though, let's carry on and just give the definitions of the other ones. So the revolving letter of credit is designed for when parties are in a long-term relationship with each other. So the revolving letter of credit means instead of having to sign a new letter of credit every time you enter into an agreement, they sort of roll forward for multiple uses on an ongoing basis. And there's normally an expiration date. So we might say, okay, this is the revolving letter of credit for the next 12 months or something like that. The standby letter of credit is effectively an insurance policy. And what this means is that if something goes wrong and the injured party, the party that suffered the loss, has not been able to get compensation in any other way, then you can make this claim from a standby letter of credit. So it's an insurance, it's a sort of security blanket to give the party encouragement to enter into the agreement. It is a recognised type of letter of credit. So in terms of the exam then, the endorsed letter of credit, that is not the actual type.